begs the question, how do we inspire people to care about nature? And identification of different
So welcome to Bestie Freeman and Dr. Hart. You're most welcome.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, and your time is about to start. I was just waiting for you.
Okay.
Uploading one video for one speaker, but I could not make the audio possible. So I just invite you to just start your presentation. So I'll just introduce you to the audience. So audience, Dr. Jonathan Hart is the superintendent of Reddington Township School District, New Jersey, USA. Dr. Jonathan Hart has been named as superintendent of a school for the Reddington Township District effective from July 1, 2018. Dr. Hart's appointment was approved by the Reddington Township Board of Education at their meeting on April 8, 10, 2018. Prior to coming to Reddington, Dr. Hart served as the Director of Human Resource for Marlborough Township School District. His previous experience also include appointments as Acting Assistant Superintendent and Assistant Director of Special Services for the Flemington Raritan School District, Supervisor of Special Services and Curriculum for the Hyansport School District. And he is a gifted educationist, and he is doing great, and grade 3 teacher for the Flemington Raritan School District. Dr. Hart has also been adjunct instructor at Cabrini University and at the College of New Jersey. So welcome, Dr. Hart.
Thank you.
Welcome you and your team. And the Bestie speaks a lot about you. You are doing great in your school. You are inspiring to your team, your students, and we are happy to have your whole team of your student, educator, and why you are important to us, because in New Jersey is the first state in the world who has incorporated climate change in K to 12 standards. And this is the reason we are proud of you, and I'm sure that other state in United States and other country will have to follow New Jersey, and I'm sure that because of this, yeah, your presentation is very special for us and everyone, because you are coming with your whole team and students and those who are doing great work. So we are eager to learn more from you. So welcome to Dr. Hart.
Thank you so much. And thank you for that nice introduction. And I'm privileged to be here today to introduce our team from the Reddington Township School District. And I'm really not going to take up too much time, because I think that the group should rightfully hear from our staff and student team that's here today. I simply wanted to mention, as Mrs. Freeman is starting to bring up the presentation, that over the course of the past year, our district has adopted a new mission statement and a new strategic plan. Even prior to that, green initiatives and sustainability were paramount in our district initiatives. And I think you'll see evidence of that today. But how we're carrying this work into the future for our students is through our new mission statement and strategic plan. And our strategic plan has 3 goals. Inquisitive learning is one, social awareness is another, and the final one is partnerships. And it's through these 3 goals that we are giving students the ability and the agency to ask difficult inquiry-based questions, and to have those questions somehow connect with a community, a local, a state, a national, or even global partner in order for our students to take their inquiry-based question and turn it into some sort of project with a partner of some sort. And you know, today what the group will see is a prime example of how our staff and students are working to investigate some real world problems that our community and our world is faced with in relationship to green initiatives and sustainability, and how our students have used their own inquiry processes, partnerships, agency in order to try to solve those problems, or bring some sort of solution to them. So, you know, today with us, and I don't want to take up too much time. I have, you know, a lot of members of our Reddington school community who I'm very proud of. Betsy Freeman, our Green Initiative and Sustainability Coordinator, is with us. Janelle Dollar, a 7th grade social studies teacher. Melissa Spatz, a special education teacher. And our students, Eddie Lau, a recent graduate from Reddington Middle School who's now attending high school. Rai Gupta, a grade 8 student. Sarah Dukoff, a grade 8 student. And there might be some other students that I might be missing. So I'll leave it to Mrs. Freeman to do more introductions. So we are so proud to be here. We are so happy to be here. And I hope you enjoy our presentation. And I'll turn it over to Mrs. Freeman.
Yes, welcome, Mrs. Betsy Freeman.
I got it. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Well, what I was going to say is thank you so much